Do you want to build a professional Excel dashboard without spending hours? And creating pivot tables, charts, slicers, and KPIs? What if AI could do all that work for you? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Meta AI to build a fully interactive Excel dashboard in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, make sure your data is clean and organized. Here, we have a sales table with columns like year, product, region, sales, and profit. This step is important because AI works best with structured data. Avoid blank rows and make sure every column has a clear heading. Now click anywhere inside your data and press Ctrl+T. Excel will ask if your table has headers. Click OK. Your data is now an official Excel table, which automatically expands when you add new records and makes dashboard automation much more reliable. Next, let's give the table a meaningful name. Click anywhere inside the table. Go to the Table Design tab, find the table name box, and rename it to Sales Data. Press Enter. Naming your table helps the VBA code identify the correct data source. Now copy the entire table. Press Ctrl+C. Open Meta AI and paste the table into the chat. You'll notice the table appears in the conversation as both formatted data and an attachment. This gives Meta AI the complete structure of your data set. Next, open the Word document that contains the prompt we prepared earlier. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into the same Meta AI chat. This prompt instructs Meta AI to generate a professional VBA macro that automatically creates pivot tables, slicers, KPI cards, charts, modern formatting, and interactive dashboard elements based on your data. Now click Send and let Meta AI do the hard work. In just a few seconds, it will generate the complete VBA code for your dashboard. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Once the code is ready, select everything and copy it. Now switch back to Excel. Go to the Developer tab. If you don't see it, click File, then Options, choose Customize Ribbon, check the Developer box, and click OK. Next, click Visual Basic. In the VBA editor, go to Insert, then click Module. A blank code window will appear. Paste the VBA code into the module by pressing Ctrl+V. Now click anywhere inside the code and press the Run button. Watch what happens. Within seconds, Excel starts building your dashboard automatically. It creates pivot tables, adds interactive slicers for filtering by year and region, builds professional charts, generates KPI cards, and formats everything with a modern design. What could have taken an hour or more is completed automatically in just a few moments. And that's it. You just used Meta AI to automate one of the most time-consuming tasks in Excel. This is a powerful way to build dashboards faster, improve productivity, and create professional reports with minimal effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Center of Best Learnings. You can also download the file containing prompt and code in description. And lastly, here's a question for you. What Excel task would you like AI to automate next? Let me know in the comments, and it might be featured in my next tutorial.